How to clear app cache and data on Android. If an app on your Android phone is not working properly, or you want to free up some storage, this video will show you how to clear its cache and data using two simple methods. Method 1. Using settings. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Tap on Apps. Now, find and select the app whose cache or data you want to clear. Tap on Storage. Here, you'll see two options. To clear the app cache, tap Clear Cache. If you want to completely reset the app, tap Clear Data and confirm by selecting Delete. Keep in mind that clearing app data may remove the app's saved settings and sign you out of your account. Method 2. Using the app icon. You can also access the same settings directly from the app. Go to your app screen and find the app you want to reset. Touch and hold the app icon, then tap the Info icon. Now select Storage. From here, you can tap Clear Cache or Clear Data and confirm your choice. That's how you can clear the app cache and data on your Android phone using two easy methods. If you find this video helpful, click like, share, and subscribe for more Android tips and tutorials.